Life is like a game of squash. Imagine the world as a game of squash, and all the people as players in the field. That way, it's easier to accept that all the moves do not depend on you alone, nor can you give your best game. The result does not depend on your skills, nor can you expect a sure win. You simply play without desire of knowing the end. Play with no desire to defeat the opponent, for your moves are conditioned by the moves of the other players, and the skillful swing at the ball depends on how it's thrown at you. Therefore, winning the game is utterly irrelevant, for playing it is a privilege of the